Common prefixes. Unlocking word meanings. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into an essential tool for mastering vocabulary: prefixes. By understanding common prefixes, you'll not only be able to deduce the meanings of unfamiliar words but also excel in exams like the TOEFL and IELTS. So, let's get started. A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word. It changes or adds to the original meaning of the word. Think of it as a little clue about what the word might mean. Let's dive into some of the most common prefixes you'll encounter. 1. Unmeaning, not example. Unhappy, not happy. 2. Re-meaning, again or back example. Redo, do again. 3. Pre-meaning, before example. Preview, view before. 4. Mis-meaning, wrongly example. Misunderstand, understand wrongly. 5. Dis-meaning, not or opposite of example. Dislike, the opposite of like. 6. In, I am, ill, ir meaning. Not example. Impossible, not possible. Irregular, not regular. 7. Intermeaning, between example. Interact, act between. 8. Sub-meaning, under example. Submarine, a vessel that goes under the sea. 9. Super-meaning, above or more than example. Superhuman, more than human. 10. Anti-meaning, against example. Antibiotic, against life, specifically bacteria. Knowing these prefixes can help you make educated guesses about word meanings, even if you're seeing the word for the first time. 1. Context clues. Even if you're unsure about a word's exact meaning, other words in the sentence can give you clues. 2. Elimination. On multiple choice questions, sometimes you can eliminate incorrect answers if you recognize a prefix and know its meaning. 3. Practice. Regularly reading and listening to English materials will expose you to these prefixes naturally, helping you remember their meanings over time. That wraps up our exploration of common prefixes. Remember, understanding prefixes is like holding a key to unlock a vast treasury of English vocabulary. We hope this video has shed light on how powerful and helpful prefixes can be. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. Happy learning!